Hello everyone, welcome to QPT. Lightmatter, founded by 3 MIT alumni, is using photonic technologies to reinvent how chips communicate and calculate. Our ability to pack ever smaller transistors onto a chip has enabled today's age of ubiquitous computing. But that approach is finally running into limits, with some experts declaring an end to Moore's law and a related principle known as Dennett's scaling. Those developments couldn't be coming at a worse time. Demand for computing power has skyrocketed in recent years thanks in large part to the rise of artificial intelligence, and it shows no signs of slowing down. Now, Lightmatter, a company founded by 3 MIT alumni, is continuing the remarkable progress of computing by rethinking the lifeblood of the chip. Instead of relying solely on electricity, the company also uses light for data processing and transport. The company's first two products, a chip specializing in artificial intelligence operations and an interconnect that facilitates data transfer between chips, use both photons and electrons to drive more efficient operations. In a nod to the size of the problem and the demand for AI, Lightmatter raised just north of $300 million in 2023 at a valuation of $1.2 billion. Now the company is demonstrating its technology with some of the largest technology companies in the world in hopes of reducing the massive energy demand of data centers and AI models. Lightmatter's Enwise chip takes the part of computing that electrons do well, like memory, and combines it with what light does well, like performing the massive matrix multiplications of deep learning models. The researcher says that with photonics, we can perform multiple calculations at the same time because the data is coming in on different colors of light. In one color, we could have a photo of a dog. In another color, we could have a photo of a cat. In another color, maybe a tree. And we could have all three of those operations going through the same optical computing unit, this matrix accelerator, at the same time. That drives up operations per area. And it reuses the hardware that is there, driving up energy efficiency. Lightmatter's passage takes advantage of light's latency and bandwidth advantages to link processors in a manner similar to how fiber optic cables use light to send data over long distances. It also enables chips as big as entire wafers to act as a single processor. Sending information between chips is central to running the massive server farms that power cloud computing and run AI systems like ChatGPT. Both products, Enwise and Passage, are designed to bring energy efficiencies to computing. Lightmatter is currently working with chip makers and cloud service providers for mass deployment. Because the company's equipment runs on silicon, it can be produced by existing semiconductor fabrication facilities without massive changes in process. The ambitious plans are designed to open up a new path forward for computing that would have huge implications for the environment and economy. Thanks for watching this video. Check the link in the description of the video to buy my book Dream Big Move Forward Inch by Inch, which will be more suitable for giving as a gift. And now affiliates can get a 50% commission for selling my Gumroad products. Thanks.